you doing?
The lodge is right down there.
My camera should have been turned around. All those beautiful mountains, and I have it facing that way.
You got me instead.
He couldn't even put the fucking hot dog.
I know, that's what pressed earlier.
He was all screwed up.
I got some air today, Mark.
You got some air?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Where's this place? What is this place?
Oh, fuck it. I was going to turn it around.
They always have a bunch of old machinery up here. Yeah. Either like that or an old grader or something.
Tammy, you are doing so good.
Yes.
Thank you.
You having a better day?
Yeah.
Good.
Much.
By the end of the week, we'll be able to say you're from Maine. Well,
If you drop your R's.
I can do that.
Where's Jeff Burkett?
I can drive a car.
Where the fuck are you at?
He said by the end of the week I can say I'm from Maine.
go see a man about a mule.
And Mary said, yeah, you dropped your R's.
Well, where the fuck did you go to do that?
She's from Maine.
You,
Oh, what are we doing?
I'm doing it. Wait on that bolt.
Mine's missing. My bolt's missing there.
Never been here before?
No, mine's missing here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Today is how it usually is every
Keep an eye on that.
more snow.
Well, with what we got.
I know where there's a wreck sled that probably has one.
I'm good. How's your shoulder holding up? Good.
Doing much better.
It was next to the cabin.
How come?
I breathed too hard.
I got voices in my head.
I knew that.
It feels a lot better than yesterday. I was in Boston yesterday.
Now, can they
I'll tell you,
surgery on it?
something just between you and me. Tammy rubbed that CBD lotion on my pecker last night, and it's just wild.
That's not going to stay between me and you.
None of them were listening.
Yeah, all of a sudden she went silent.
That was meant for them.
It probably went through the speaker, you know that.
I waited and turned around.
Where's the speaker? Who all has access to that?
Jeff, Scott, and Cindy.
Okay, that's what I meant to happen.
Oh, did you hear what he said?
She didn't hear me either.
I can't hear nothing.
What's that? Nothing.
He was telling me that Tammy rubbed that CBD oil on his pecker, and he just can't get. He's all.
Thought he was a Loch
That's
Ness
another
monster
good
now.
trail, though.
Came back from
That was
He
good trail.
surpassed the Cobra stuff.
Yeah.
like, this isn't related to a flu vaccine. We're done. And there was more to the story.
Yeah.
He was very rude.
Oh, I ain't
He
saying
walked
I'll
out of the
never
room.
have one, but I'll eat one of these.
Told me that I now sit there and talk to me for 2 hours. But
I see.
Oh, shoot.
You're looking right at me.
he was going to go help somebody that he could actually help. And he walked out of the room.
We're in Lisbon.
So then I had.
We're in Lisbon.
Yeah, the front end of a blower.
Town of Lisbon.
And now I can't get
Put it on the back end of the engine skidoo with the mileage. It would be the perfect penalty.
So now I'm on my
Really push it a little bit too, ain't you?
Yeah.
If I have to have surgery, I'm
I
going to
could
be
put them
out
down a little bit more. I usually run snow trackers.
Yeah.
I have no disability or anything. You want snow for them?
All the fucking
Just
time.
as needed, so I
You ever
can
had a
get
problem with one of them?
No,
I bought a set of them.
I can totally.
I was at my dealer and
I still had everything
good?
that you had ordered.
Yeah.
And I couldn't go.
never chipped one. I put
That was just
well over 10,000, over
January
15,000 miles on snow trackers. What?
Oh, I'm going to. I haven't done it yet.
definitely should.
I can be going down the trail at 95 one-handed.
He was telling that.
just one-handed. It doesn't dart. It doesn't track. It doesn't do anything.
You get a second opinion, and then that's it. You're done.
It's just now. I got the aggressive set last year on my, and it's a little bit more tight in the turns. I mean, it grabs in the turns. I mean, there's a lot of, so you don't, sometimes you want just that little bit of push. You don't plan on any push.
Is this yours?
You earn the turns. You're turning. So I'm probably a little bit slower in the turns with those snow trackers.
I couldn't sleep when it
Yeah.
What happened?
If I do sell this,
Are you kidding?
and I do get 2 spring orders, I'm not sure if I'm going to get the adjustable or just go with snow trackers. I probably will go with snow trackers when I look at the money for what it costs for the adjustable.
Can you get the rear adjustment?
I'm not sure. I'm not. I had my 17. I never. Once I got my, I was set. I didn't fuck with it. It was always the same. I put heavy duty springs in it.
I went to a picture of that motherfucker. Fingers went down.
Yeah. And then I put heavy duty springs and just crank it up. It feels good, and so it works good with snow trackers. Never had a problem. Huh?
I talk all the time. I didn't hurt myself. It's just, they just think
Did it just happen?
The taillight, fucking rivets pulled out of the taillight.
I noticed she was riding this one yesterday, and I noticed it was crooked.
What?
Tammy was driving this one yesterday, and I noticed it was crooked. I didn't even look at it.
Don't fuck with it, man.
When could that happen?
5.5 years.
I just walked over and seen it sitting there. I don't know.
Tell him he goes, yeah, you
We've had to take it off. Heating system.
I don't know if you can unplug it.
hurts when I make left
So
hand.
we have touched it, but it's been up and down.
When I was
So, I mean, technically, even if you pass it, you could just leave the money in that account for a couple of years until
he thought that was an interesting idea, and then Jerry had one, and Jerry was down.
His back off is kind of crooked too, huh?
Yeah.
And she gets no taxes.
Did you look that over before they handed it to you? Or?
Yeah, but it's hard. It was hard to tell because the thing, like, it was sitting in a pile of snow.
Probably back then.
She basically,
I love that song.
don't break nothing. It's better about making cookies. Yeah. Sometimes, actually, because it boosted up the school income. They say, like, so say she makes $15,000 a month, in between my dad's pension and Social Security. Not 15,000, 1,500. Right. You want to hit the
Anybody got tape?
I got zip ties.
I got some Gorilla tape.
I'm gonna see if it works.
The only thing holding on to it is the connection, and that'll come out.
You want some Gorilla tape?
Yeah,
I
I put
noticed
some
that
on there.
yesterday when I was following you.
Can we pop these out?
Those are rivets. They're not going to help. See,
No,
the problem
I
is,
have zip ties that would reach right around through it if we get them out.
You sure you still have
you'd
zip
have to-
ties?
I always have zip ties.
you'd have to drill it out. I don't think that's
No,
gonna
there's.
work.
Oh, you don't think it's come out? No. It's coming out right now.
We have a TV bank.
Just so we don't lose it, because they'll charge us for it.
I got a.
That's her money.
Let me go get them.
See, they use, with this, you need a longer rivet. And they didn't use the longer rivet.
I want him to have to pay for that.
Right. It looks like they had trouble. They must have fixed that. Goddamn Japanese made. Are they made? Are these Japanese made?
No, Canadian.
Canadian, same thing.
Might have
Freaking
Japanese
Canadians.
parts, but
Yeah.
they're made in Belfort, Canada. The engines are made in
Here comes that pig sled again.
zip tie right. Stop. Well, there's two hooks. Hold on a second. There's two hooks too that this thing goes into. It's supposed to. See how it snaps in. This will keep it going, Jeff. Good to know.
I'm in the back of my mind, I'm going,
There we go. Look at that. That's almost as good as duct tape. I'm telling you, the world is built around zip ties and duct tape.
Well, I had half of
Every
it.
toolbox my company has zip ties in it. And we buy duct tape by the case. You're even trimming them up nice.
And I'd call that a Leatherman. Is that a Leatherman or is that a Gerber?
Look here, ladies.
A Leatherman or a Gerber?
A Leatherman, but it's
with the
my
pictures.
old
You
one.
are.
Broke the tip off. They
Where do
will
you keep
give
your
you a new
phone?
one.
Thank
you.
Oh yeah.
Where do you keep it? Your pocket or in your glove?
When I was
I can't hear a word.
Where do you keep your phone?
I can't fix it with the Leatherman.
In your like left compartment
Oh,
and it stays okay? It doesn't freeze? Huh. I have mine 3 layers deep.
Cindy's keeps freezing up and it won't turn on.
Yeah, that's what happened to mine. You've got a good jacket.
It is a good jacket.
So,
Yeah, I keep it,
This is my $35 jacket.
get out of here. Are you kidding
Found it
me?
on clearance at a snowmobile show.
Wow, that was a nice jacket.
it is a nice jacket.
$35?
Yes.
Wow. That was a bargain. That was a bargain.
It's actually a Yamaha coat.
Is it?
Very nice.
It looks like a ski-doo to me.